To uninstall a program in Windows 10 or Windows 11, you need to follow these steps. First, go to your search bar and type Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel to open. If you have this view, that's fine. If not, then you want to change View By to Category. Click on Programs, and under Programs and Features, you want to click Uninstall a Program. Here you need to navigate through and select the program which you want to remove. You can choose the one which you don't use. Right-click, select Uninstall. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can go ahead and click Yes. The install process will start, regardless of the software, and it will start uninstalling it. Please note that you can uninstall only one software at the time. You cannot do it for several softwares at the same time. Once done, click Close, check again, and the software has been removed from your computer.